you have installed the Astra free theme, and you don't know how to customize the header of your website, or your free theme has several limitations such as you can't create Astra Sticky header, you can't add image background, and many other things, then don't worry, you have arrived at the right place. I will be explaining the Astra header creation and customization in the easiest and in great detail without any additional plugins. This video may look to you a little bit longer duration, but after watching this video, I am pretty sure that you will not be required to watch any other video for Astra header customization. Now, let's take a look at our final header feature. First of all, this header is a sticky header. This Astra header has more than one button. This Astra header has an image background with a background color overlay, and many other features. Most of the features are not directly available in Astra free theme, but I have created all these features in Astra free theme without any additional plugin. So without any further ado, let's get started. We will be creating our header in 2 steps. Step 1, creating and editing menus and submenus for the header. Step 2, header customization. Let's proceed towards the first step, that is creating and editing menus and submenus. To do so, go to the WordPress dashboards and hover over the Appearance tab. Then click on the Customize option. Now, click on the Menus option. Here by default, you will get many menus. You can delete these menus or you can even edit these menus as per your website, which is the best option. Astra theme can display menus in 5 locations. Let's see, where are the different menu located on your website? The first location is the primary menu of your website. In our demo site, this is the primary menu. The second location is the secondary menu situated above and below the primary menu of your website. In the secondary menu, you can display contact numbers, social media links, etc. The third location is of off-canvas menu. The off-canvas menu will appear on mobile and tablet under the hamburger menu. The fourth location is of logged-in account menu. Logged-in account menu is solely for the logged-in user. In the logged-in menu, you can display an additional menu for your logged-in user. The fifth location is a footer menu. The footer menu is the menu that will display in the footer section. First, you need to create different menus for different locations, then select the menu you like from the drop-down of the different locations. You can also use a single menu in more than one location. Now, let's edit the existing menu as per our website. To do so, just go back to the menu option, and then click on the menu in which you want to edit. Let's edit this menu, which is currently set as the primary menu of our website. Now, to add or delete any item from the menu, just click on the Add Item button. To add new items, you will get many options such as custom link, page, post, landing pages, etc. For now, let's add a page as a menu item to this menu. To add a new menu, just click on the plus button. Here you can see the same page added to our menu. Let's add a few custom link menu items to the menu very quickly. To add a custom link menu, just click on this option and paste the relevant link, and then give the relevant name to the custom link menu. To delete an item, just click on the red cross symbol against the same item which you want to delete. Here you can see, our dental page menu item is successfully removed from the menu. Now let's see how you can reorder or make a submenu in the primary menu. To reorder or make a submenu, just click on this link. Here you will get 4 rows, left and right, and up and down. With the help of the up and down arrows, you can reorder the menu items, and with the help of the left and right arrows, you can create a submenu. In fact, let's see it practically. Let's send the contact page menu item to the extreme right using the down arrow. Here you can see, our contact page menu item is relocated to the extreme right in the primary menu. Similarly, if you want to send any item to the left side, then you can do that with the help of the up arrow. Now let's add submenus of the departments. To add a submenu, just align all child items below the parent item, and then click on the right arrow against the child items. Make sure to align all the child items on the same line. Now here you can see, we have successfully added the department's submenu. In the end, just click on Done. Now let's create a new menu for displaying the helpline number button on the middle position of the above secondary header. To do so, just go back to the menu option, and then click on the Create New Menu button. Now give a relevant name to the menu, and then click on the Next button. To add items to your newly created menu, just click on the Add Items button. Now here you can add a custom link, page, post, category, etc. For now, I will be adding a custom link item because I want to display a helpline number. To display the helpline number link item in the correct way, just write the tel, and then your phone number with area code. If you add your phone number exactly the same as I am adding, then your website visitor will be directly able to call you after clicking on the helpline number link. In the link text, make sure to add the same text which you want to display on your header. You can add text and Unicode symbols. To add a Unicode symbol, just go to any Unicode website, and then copy the Unicode symbol on your clipboard. Now go back to the link text field, and then paste the same Unicode symbol. In the end, just click on the Add to the menu. Now we have successfully completed our first step of header menu creation. Let's proceed towards the second step, that is header customization. To do so, just go back to the customization options, and then click on the header builder option. Now here in the header builder tool, you will get 3 rows. The first one is for top secondary menu, the middle one is for the primary menu, and the bottom one is for the bottom secondary menu. If you have imported any demo site from the Astra repository, then you will get a few widgets here by default. First, remove everything from here, and then add menu widgets one by one. Now, let's insert a logo on the left side of the primary menu. To do so, just click on the left side of the middle bar, and then click on the site title and logo widget. Now, click on the same widget. Once you click on the same widget, then logo customization options will appear on the left side. To change a logo, just click on the Change Logo, and select your uploaded logo from the media library. Here make sure to upload a transparent PNG logo into your media library. Now here with the help of this toggle switch, you can add a different logo for Retina devices like Apple iMac and Apple iPod. With the help of this slider, you can increase or decrease the logo size. You can set the different logo sizes for different devices with the help of this screen layout selector. With the help of these 2 toggle buttons, you can turn on the site title and site tagline respectively. From this link, you can set the site icon. We have successfully added our logo on our Astra website header. Let's add the primary menu on the right side. To do so, just click on the right side of the middle header bar, then click on the primary menu widget. Now, let's add a button. To add a button, again click on the right side of the middle bar, then select the button widget. Now click on the button to customize. Here give any relevant name to your button, and then paste the target link. And with the help of this toggle switch, you can make this button link open on the new page. Here is the box for providing the value of a rel attribute. Now, what is rel attribute? The rel attribute specifies the relationship between the current document and the linked document. Search engines can use this attribute to get more information about a link. For example, if you input non-follow rel value in this box, then Google crawler will not crawl or follow or index this button link. In another word, the linked page will not appear on the Google search page. To stylize the button appearance, just switch to the Design tab. Here in this tab, you can stylize the appearance of text color, background color, border width, border color, border radius, etc. Similarly, you can add any available widget such as search as per your requirement. Now, let's create the above secondary header for our Astra website. To do so, just click on the middle section of the top menu bar, and then select the Social Icons widget. Now click on the same widget to edit the links and appearance. After clicking on this, you can edit the label, URL, and icon of your social media links. Here in the Design tab, you can easily change the icon size, spacing, etc. And with the help of this section, you can customize the icon color, icon hover color, etc. Now let's add the secondary menu in the same way. To change the menu link on the secondary menu, first click on the widget, then click on this link, and then from the drop-down, select whatever menu you like. For now I am selecting Helpline menu because same menu we have created for the secondary menu location at the earlier stage. Now here our helpline number is successfully displayed. And with this, we have successfully added all the required items to our header. Let's stylize our header appearance with the help of simple CSS. By the way, if you don't know anything about CSS, then don't worry, you can download the CSS code after scanning this QR code, or after directly visiting the link shown here. To add the required CSS, just go back to the Customize menu, and then click on the additional CSS. Now here in this field, just paste the downloaded CSS code. I will not paste the whole code into a single step, but I will be writing the code block one by one so that you can see the real-time effect of a particular CSS code block on your header appearance. Now let's first write the code for the appearance of the above secondary header. Here you can see, our secondary header background is completely changed. In this secondary header CSS code snippet, you will get 3 CSS properties, that is width, background, and padding. Except width, remaining 2 properties are variable. Now let's add the CSS for this helpline number link. Now here, I have added a one and only custom CSS class for this link. That's why you need to manually add this CSS class into your helpline menu to take this CSS effect. To add the same CSS class to your helpline number link, first copy the CSS class from here, and then go to the menu option, and then click on the same menu to add the class. In this case, we have added this menu to our above secondary menu. Here just paste the copied CSS class name in this field. Once you paste the same CSS class in the menu, then additional CSS code will take effect immediately, just like this. Now, let's go back to the additional CSS field, and see which CSS code block affects which property of the helpline number button. Here this code block is affecting the button padding. This code block is affecting the overall appearance of the button such as link color, background color, etc. And this bottom side code block is affecting the button appearance after hovering. In the end, make sure to publish the page after every bit of customization so that your work will not go in vain due to an accident. From onward here, I have used native Astra theme CSS classes, so you don't require to add any CSS class manually. In another word, All the below CSS classes are already added to the Astra themes files by the theme developer. These CSS classes will remain the same unless the Astra developer decides to change the CSS classes of their theme intentionally in the future update. If any CSS class will change in the future updates of Astra themes, then you don't need to worry because I will always try to keep this code up to date after any change. Furthermore, if you face any problem, then feel free to ask any related query in the comments section, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos. Now, let's proceed towards the primary header appearance customization. Here this code block is affecting the appearance of the primary menu links. And this code block is creating the hover effect on the primary menu links. Now let's add the CSS code for the primary header background. Now here be aware that, if you don't want to add a background image in your header, then remove these lines from your code. After that, change the background color values as you like. If you want to add a background image in your Astra site header, then first upload a background image into your media library. Then copy the link of the same image. Now go back to the additional CSS field. Then paste the link over here. And if you want to add a color overlay image effect, then tweak this color code. Otherwise, delete this much code from this code block. Now, we have pretty much completed our header appearance customization. Currently our header is not a sticky header. Let's give some shadow effect, and make this Astra theme header a sticky header. Here you can see, our header becomes a sticky header as well as having a little bit of shadow effect. By the way, if you don't want the sticky header, then remove this position property from the code. Now, let's add some padding for the content area, and a few additional blocks of code for responsiveness. Here this code block is for content padding on desktop. This is the media query code for content padding, menu link font size, and primary header button text font size for screens less than 1024 pixels. This media query code for content padding for tablet devices. And this media query code for content padding for mobile devices. Feel free to change the media query code as per your website layout on different devices. Now, let's customize the appearance of the hamburger icon. To do so, just click on the mobile layout selector. Then click on this pencil icon that appeared after hovering over on hamburger icon. Now here from the left side, you can change the design of the hamburger icon, hamburger toggle button style, and you can give any label to the hamburger icon. To stylize the hamburger icon, just click on the Design tab. Now here you can change the icon size, icon color, etc. Here, after clicking on the hamburger menu icon, the off-canvas menu will appear on the mobile. To customize the appearance of the off-canvas menu, just click here. Now from here, you can change the off-canvas menu type, drop-down target, and menu item alignment. Now, what is the drop-down target? The drop-down target will allow you to set a target to open a submenu in the mobile header. It has two options, icon and link. If you choose icon, the submenu drop-down will open with a click of a small arrow icon beside the menu item name. And if you choose link, the submenu drop-down will open with a click of an entire menu item link. Now, let's change the header type to flyout, and make the off-canvas menu center aligned. Let's give the same background color to the off-canvas menu, same as our primary header color. To do so, just hover over the off-canvas menu. Then this pencil icon will appear. Click on the same pencil icon. Now here on the left side, click on the Design tab. Then scroll down a bit. Here, click on the normal color field to edit the color as per your primary menu background color. After clicking on this layout toggle button, make sure to paste the same color for tablet also. In the end, make sure to publish the changes. Congratulations, we have successfully completed our Astra header creation and the customization. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get new video updates, and make sure to check out the end screen video. Guys, how about our video pace? Is it slow or fast, or else good? Let me know in the comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.